Hi guys, it's Melody Lane and I am so excited to show you something so many of you have been waiting for. An engraving tip for the Cricut Maker. That's not all. There's a debossing tip. This is like embossing, but debossing because it presses down. You can mirror it and it'll be embossed. Perforated blade and a wavy blade. 4 new blades for the Cricut Maker. And the best news is you can either buy them like this or like this. So if you already have the scoring wheel, not the rotary one, the scoring wheel where you can take it apart, you don't need to buy this. You don't need this package with this. You can save money and buy it just like this. So you can just add it back in. It's so easy. So you only need the scoring wheel housing. They call it the quick swap housing. If you don't have the scoring wheel one, then you can buy one like this. And if you want all 4 new blades, you can buy the others like this. And then you can switch out the blades. So every single one of them are available either with the housing or without the housing. If you already have the scoring wheel, you don't need the housing and you can purchase them all this way. Okay guys, now I did a few projects with the new tools. This one, I was just testing it. It's the wavy cut. This was one of my drawn card image frames and you see the wave? So I just set it to wave and it waved it all. So then I made a few cards. I put the wavy on the edge of each one and around the sun. On this one, I put the wavy down here at the bottom. You can also use wavy on fabric and different things too. And then this one is perforated. This is the perforated blade. So what I did is I put You Are Loved, and then it has a little tab here, and they pull open that tab. They get a little surprise inside, a few little hearts, and then it says You Are Loved. Isn't that cute? I have so many ideas. I already have a whole bunch of cards created for the perforated tool. I'm so excited. I think that is so much fun. It's fun to peel it back. It's fun to get a little surprise in the card to fall out. It's just fun. So excited. And the debossing. I use this one on brushed paper. Look at how pretty that is. This is the debossing tool, and this is brushed paper. I haven't tried it on everything yet, but I was so excited. I tried, this is also debossing on the brushed paper. I didn't set it to cut or anything. I just did it to deboss, and it's so pretty. How pretty. And then the engraving tool I did on this piece of copper. I just got this from Amazon. It's hard to see. It's the squirrel image from the Scandinavian drawn image. So any image that you have draw in Design Space, you can engrave it, you can deboss it. It's so easy and so much fun. You can make so many more projects for people. Love it. So excited for all these new tools. Put a comment down below on which tool you think you're gonna like best. These do only work on the Cricut Maker. So you do have to get a Cricut Maker if you don't have one in order to use these awesome tools. But I have been telling everybody for so long, you want the Cricut Maker. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited about these new tools. And what more, Cricut is always working on new things and always coming out with more. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.